plan, there was a technical issue. Our totems weren't released properly. So, as a result, we ended up having to redo the challenge.
Oh shoot!
There were a lot of discussions on what to do, but this is a competition, and we wanted to be good sports. So we agreed to go again once the third and fourth games were completed. If we wanted to win, we had to be fair.
Baka yun yung sa Pilipinas.
The right side is tilted. Yeah, it's coming.
Yung ano, kaya may ano, hindi lang nila napansin.
How are you?
May.
I'm good. You?
Malfunction.
You okay?
It's pulling me over. I can tell you're pulling it, but I don't think we're balanced.